really in my age demographic and maybe a decade or two above me, this is a really, really great option for individuals that may already have arthritis starting to develop from, injuries or just age-related changes, right? So you think about it that way, like you're literally in the aging process, arthritis happens. It's part of life, frankly. I had a great, used to work for a PT. He's always say, I have wrinkles on my face I didn't have when I was 23. I don't have an arthritic degenerative face. I have a normal aging face, right? The same is true inside your joints. It's just when it becomes painful and limits your life, you worry about it more. So someone that's naturally going through that healing process or that aging process, I'm sorry, and then they injure their ACL, now their likelihood of arthritis, undoubtedly, because they already have a hint of it there, is going to be exponentially more. So like this, late 30s, 50s, that subset of population is a really, 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 really good population to consider the bear versus a reconstruction because we know you're going to develop arthritis, and now we know it's going to just be much more rapid if there's already a bit of arthritis in there. So, um, and then we use our regenerative medicine in conjunction with that bone marrow aspirate PRP to really, really make sure we're creating a nice environment for your body to heal itself and get back to doing what you want to do.